Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 with all-wheel drive. And that's running strong, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have the LED headlight surrounds. Fog lights up front. Painted alloy wheels. And I will upload some still photos as well. This has all the standard RV hookups. Right here is your tow package and receiver. There's your commode. Flush modes, refrigerator, has additional stowage, and electrical boxes right here. Additional stowage up top with microwave. And there's your sink that is removable, obviously. All your communications up top. These are reclining seats, diamond sewn leather. And you see how the tabletops work. And then here are their remotes. They all have massage, which is ridiculously comfortable. And these seats back here fold down into a bed. And here's your lighting. Additional stowage in here. Your sound system. And these have retractable window blinds in all the windows. TV, tablet. And as I open that up, you can see your different controls. So your master lighting, accents, Maybach, your other settings, your floor plan, and then you have your temperature set point for back here. 4 cup holders. Very well thought out vehicle. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close this up. You see that these front seats are massaged also. They're also heated. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. Your Blu-ray player is right here, and your other stereo devices. And there are your other input devices there, as well as having ports. All right, as we come up here, got your key fob right there. We're gonna go ahead and turn this down so you can hear me better. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and go through a restart. Okay, and down here you have your controls for your stereo, which you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then you come over here, here's your push to talk. And here are their stereo controls. Right here you have your cruise control, your paddle shifters as well. Let me see if I can get a shot of that. There we go. Okay, and as you hold this down, it'll give you your mileage, which is 10,078 miles. Okay, and as you come over here, we can control the stereo, as I mentioned, either here, or you can use your touchscreen or your settings for your parking and such, your assistance, camera and parking, traffic sign assist, active lane keeping assist, which is super nice on long trips, your vehicle, your gas station search, and your lighting for your exterior and interior lighting, and then your system, which you can control your displays, and this is super nice. So we're going to go ahead and come back out here. So you actually have an actual internet browser. Here's your consumption and your other info like that, your stereo, your radio, your navigation, but your navigation is absolutely massive, and you can have that reflected down here. So very, very cool. If you want to go ahead and look at the cameras, you do have 360-degree cameras, and then you have a backup camera. I'll go ahead and put it in park. You have your comfort controls down here, and you see that you do have heated front seats as well. Cup holders. There's your master power switch and your refrigerator. And then up above you're going to have your glasses holder, your map reading lights. So that's where all this is found. All right, and that about wraps it up for this Mercedes on the interior. This vehicle does have a clean CarFax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.